Hey girl, hey, welcome to my channel. So today I will be unboxing a wig that I got from Amazon. The hair company is ALLOVE Hair. So I got a blonde wig from their hair company. It is a lace frontal and it is a blonde wig. It's human hair and it is a straight wig. So it came in this pink silk bag and you'll see me unpackaging. It came with wig caps. You can never have enough wig caps. So this is the name of the brand, ALLOVE Hair. This is how the hair came. And this is the wig. So it is a lace frontal, so it has ear to ear lace. It is 20 inches. And yeah, it just has a parting at the very front, just a 1-inch part. So you're not able to part it beyond the middle parting. So I just want to let that be known. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any questions below and I will definitely comment. And yeah, enjoy the video. So this is the final look of the hair. This is how it came out. So I have no makeup on today. So I'm very natural-esque in this video. So I didn't do any extravagant baby hairs with this look because I wanted to look a little bit more natural with this hairstyle, especially since I'm a little bit more natural and have no makeup on. So this is the final look with ALLOVE hair, and yeah, I think it came out pretty cute. I really love the blonde. It's 613. It's not super full, but I do like this blonde look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And definitely check out the hair. I will be leaving links below. And have a great day. Bye.